Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how to start cleaning. In the beginning, make sure that your device is set up in the flat space with enough place for robot to drive in or out of the dock. Now turn it on by pressing and holding power button, and next shortly press power button to start cleaning. To stop cleaning, again press power button.
Pause.
To resume, press power button one more time.
Resuming. Pause.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.